These are the 14 new house guests who will be embarking on a 3-month journey for $1 million. Each of them will be playing the game with someone they already know. Among them, best friends, brother and sister, father and daughter, and much more. Can you guess who's paired up this season? All of the house guests are aware that they and their fellow house guests will each be playing the game with someone they already know. However, they are unaware of the twist to the Big Brother game. Each pair will be playing as one. Every week, the head of household will nominate 2 pairs for eviction, but only one person from each of those pairs will be sent out the door. The 2 house guests who survive will be forced to pair up, making it a completely new pair. But that's not all. In celebration of the season of pairs, one former Big Brother duo will return and play the game again. Who did you vote back into the house? Find out on the season premiere of Big Brother 7.